Do you also have just one day in this beautiful city of Florence and are wondering what to visit and what to skip? Then come along, I have the perfect itinerary for you. Hi, I'm Bhumi and welcome to Where's We Going. Today I'm taking you through a one beautiful, slightly chaotic but very delicious day in Florence. Florence honestly feels unreal. It's like the whole city pressed pause sometime in the 1400s and just decided to stay pretty forever. This is the home of the Renaissance. Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, Dante, all these OGs literally walked around here. Every building has a story. Every corner has something carved on it, and before you know it, you're just staring at random walls thinking, wow, who made you so pretty? We started our morning with a 2-hour walking tour at 9 am, and honestly, best decision ever. Our guide took us through San Lorenzo Market, the Duomo, Piazza della Repubblica, and even the Uffizi area, while telling us stories that made Florence feel alive. I learned more in those 2 hours than I ever did in school. You know when a city suddenly makes sense, like you're connecting dots from a history book you'd never finished reading? That was me. After 2 hours, our legs and brains both needed a break, so we stopped at a cafe for coffee and cake. We sat by the window, watched people go to work, tourists getting lost, the usual Italian chaos, and it was such a peaceful little moment. Truly, coffee in Italy hits different. At around 11:30, we headed inside the Duomo. Entry is free, but if you want to climb the dome or the bell tower, there's a small ticket. I'll put the link below. Inside, the first thing you do is look up. I don't care how many cathedrals you have seen. The ceiling here will grab your attention immediately. We decided to climb the bell tower, and let me tell you, those stairs are a workout. But the moment you get to the top, Florence just opens up in front of you. The rooftops, the river, and the dome right there. If you're stuck between choosing to climb the dome or the bell tower, pick the tower. That view of the dome from up top, worth every step. We were starving after that climb, so we walked to Newbridge Pizza for lunch. Pizza, prosecco, sunshine. Travel doesn't get better than this. You know those meals where you don't even talk much because everyone is so hungry and happy? That was us. After lunch, we had to choose between Academia and Uffizi. That was tough. David is in Academia, yes, but there's also a replica in Piazza della Signoria, and we had limited time, so we picked Uffizi at 2 pm. Every room in this museum feels like a chapter in an art history book, except you're actually standing inside it. Botticelli, Da Vinci, Caravaggio. I kept saying, okay, last room now, but there's always another room. We spent almost 2 hours and still didn't see everything. It's that kind of place. By evening, Florence becomes a whole different mood. We walked across Ponte Vecchio, the famous jewelry bridge, and wandered through Palazzo Pitti and its garden. The sun was low, the streets looked warm and golden, musicians started playing. It genuinely felt like Florence was showing off for us. And that wraps up our one day in Florence. It's incredible how much you can experience in just 24 hours. Art, history, food, and pure Italian beauty. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like button, share it with your travel buddies, and subscribe to Where's We Going for more travel tips, stories, and itineraries from around the world. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!